Hi guys! Welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood, makinig, at mag-react muli sa isa na namang performance ng pamilyang bandang France Rhythm. At eto ang papanoorin natin at papakinggan ay isa sa mga naging gusto kong awitin. At ito nga po, yung Living on a Jet Plane. Pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ito, huwag ninyong kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Huwag na natin patagalin. Let's go! Ganda ng pantan ko talaga eh.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye.
Ang ganda.
But the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome, I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go.
Galing talaga.
There's so many times I've let you down. So many times I've played around. But I tell you now, they don't mean a thing.
Ang angas.
Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. When I come back, I bring your wedding ring.
Hey!
So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go.
Gusto ko rin matutong mag-drum. Ang galing eh. Hey! Yes, so, pamilyang bandang France Rhythm.
Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. Close your eyes, I'll be on my way. Dream about the days to come when I won't have to leave alone. About the times I won't have to say. So kiss me and smile for me.
Hey!
Tell me that you'll wait for me.
Let's go!
Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be
Grabe talaga, Friends Rhythm. Para ako nasa isang bar na nakikinig sa inyong grupo. Ang galing nyo talaga, wala akong masabi. Sana sooner or later, makita na namin kayo sa mga sikat na mga bars dito sa ating bansa. Hindi lang dito sa ating bansa, bagay sa ibang bansa, sana makita namin kayo. Congratulations, Friends Rhythm! Kaya naman, kung gusto niyo pa ng mga ganitong content, huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa videos natin. Yun lang, paalam!